Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our Denali stitching along the middle. And if you take a look here at the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Of course, up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down, you'll find our dual climate controls to go alongside our heated seat controls and our ventilated seat controls. You also get a push-to-start ignition, as well as keyless entry and remote start. Additional storage here down below with our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, shifter, trailer brake controls, additional storage along the side. And inside of your middle console, you get a wireless charging pad to go alongside a USB-C and USB charge port and an AC outlet. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, you see you do get automatic power windows to go alongside power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. Taking a look up in the windshield, you'll see you do get a heads-up display. And moving back down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you'll see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and all of your settings here down below. You also get a rear view mirror, digital display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch to your liking. And last but not least, we have our universal home garage opener and our power controls for our rear power sliding window. In the back, you still get these jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, you get 2 USB-C and USB charge ports, heated seat controls, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there's cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, you also get additional storage inside the seats itself, as well as underneath. And last but not least, we do have our cup holders here along the middle and our power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our 1500 Sierra, we do have the classic Denali chrome grille with our GMC badge in the middle, front-facing camera, chrome tow hooks along the bottom. You also get LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. We have our Goodyear Wrangler tires down below. And up top we have our power adjustable side mirrors with chrome accents. Chrome accents along our windows here, as well as our handles with keyless entry. Chrome accents along our running boards. Tint in the rear window. And if you make our way to the back, you'll find our corner assist steps and our dual chrome exhaust. Last but not least, you also do get the MultiPro Tailgate to control it. Top button gets you the first tab down, no problem. It can also be turned into a step when needed. And to get the whole thing down, just press the second button, it'll come down automatically to lead you to our spray-on bedliner and of course our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.